Last quarter, 1.45 million Canadians missed a credit payment. Not a mortgage payment, a credit payment. A card, a line of credit, a loan. And that number is climbing. So here's the uncomfortable question. How many surprise expenses are you away from being on that list? A car repair, a vet bill, one bad month? Here's what most people get wrong about that list. These aren't reckless people. Most of them earn a good living. They're just running a system that was never built to get them ahead. It was built to keep them paying. In this video, I'm going to talk about the real cash flow problem. What rolling your debts into your mortgage looks like, the trap you want to stay away from, and changing the debt game. So make sure you stick around to the end. If your income stopped for 2 months, what's the plan? If you said there isn't one, you're not alone. It's okay. It's not a character flaw. It's a design flaw. The good news is it's totally fixable. If you're new here, hi, I'm Becky, independent mortgage broker. Here's the part no one says out loud. It's almost never the mortgage payment that breaks people. I've watched this for 20 years. Even when you renew into a higher rate and your payment jumps, it hurts, but on its own, most people absorb it. What causes problems are the debts on the side. Look, life happens. Maybe someone went back to school or took mat leave. Whatever the reason for the debt, the credit card, the line of credit, the car loan, 5, 6, 7 payments, all landing in the same month, all at high interest, all fighting for the same paycheck. The paycheck, the government just took a huge bite out of. Ouch. The mortgage isn't the problem. It tends to be everything else. So here's the question I get all the time. Can I roll all that other stuff into my mortgage and just deal with one payment? If the qualification is there, yes, you can. And for a lot of people, it's the smartest move they'll make all year. Refinance your mortgage, pull out enough equity to wipe those high interest debts, and now everything lives in one place at your mortgage rate, not your credit card rate. The credit card interest runs around 20%. Your mortgage is a fraction of that. So instead of drowning in interest, you're actually paying things down. That $1,200 in scattered monthly payments might become $400. The cash flow jam clears, you can breathe. If you're curious about what your specific number looks like, I have a totally free Canadian mortgage calculator app that will run all your numbers for you and tell you how much interest you could be saving. Link is below. Now, I'm going to be straight with you because that's what I do here. Consolidating can feel amazing. There's a weight that lifts when you no longer carry that debt, but it can be a trap. You free up that breathing room and then you fill it back up. New card, new balance, new problem. Now you've got the consolidated debt and fresh debt. That's worse than where you started. We need to fix that design flaw. This only works if you don't reborrow on everything you just cleared. But here's what nobody tells you. That exact same setup, pulling equity out of your home to use somewhere smarter, isn't just for cleaning up a mess. It's the same machinery wealthy people use to build wealth. Same equity, different game. Most people use their home to dig out of a hole. A small group uses it to build something, slowly converting their non-deductible debt into deductible debt and building wealth without changing their monthly cash flow. That's the next conversation. For now, if the pile on the side is jamming you up, consolidating into your mortgage can be a real fix. Just don't fill the hole back up again.